Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace rear springs. If you want to put lowering springs, coilovers on an Audi TT, Volkswagen Beetle, Golf, like the GTI MK4 should be the same. So what we're going to do, guys, we'll actually just remove the tire and we'll show you how to pull the spring out of it. Not very complicated procedure at all. Alright guys, more than 100 videos will be on that Audi for sure, and other 1.8 turbo VW engines. So here it is, guys. This is the spring, you can see, okay, that one, and we'll be replacing it with another one because this one is it feels a little bit softer than it should. So what we are going to do now, we will need a is it a 16 or 17 for the back? Okay, for the strut right here, it's actually a 16. Let me get it quick. So I have a 16mm ratchet or a wrench on one side, and with a little impact, we're going to take that nut off. But don't pull the bolt out yet. What we're going to do, we'll put the jack underneath it. You see what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm going to put the jack under the strut, so that way it supports. Okay, it supports the whole suspension, because when you remove that bolt out, what's going to happen actually? It will, you see right now, it will try to drop, and you don't want that spring to fly in your face or anything like that. So we'll just pull the bolt out now. Then stay out of the way. Okay. And lower it. Let the jack go. Okay, and now you can go ahead, actually step on it like that, and the spring will come loose. Okay, let me just grab it better. Okay, 1 second to adjust here so I have more leverage, because it does need. Okay guys, and this is the spring, as you can see right here. And you want to make sure that you install it the same way. You step on it, you put the spring, and then you need to jack it up to bring it to the shop, connect it, and get everything tight, guys. And I'll be the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.